Hello, I'm Byron. Now take a guess where I am right now. I know you won't believe it, but I'm in Houston, Texas with snow in December. This is unbelievable. Now some of you are saying, well, where I'm from, we have 3 feet of snow. That's nothing, that's like rain. Oh, whatever. I'm from Houston, and those of us that are from Houston or Texas, we rarely see snow. I mean, rarely see snow here. I mean, usually at this time of year, we have on shorts, t-shirts, flip-flops. But now look at me. I have on mitts, my hat, my coat. This is unbelievable to have snow in Houston. So I'm enjoying it.